Ladies and gents, we are live here from the Media Arts Council's brand new center and gallery at 609 West State Street in historic Media, Pennsylvania.
We are pleased to be a part of making Media, Pennsylvania an arts destination, and you can learn more.
Visit our website and go to www.mediaartscouncil.org. But you can also like us on Facebook at Media Arts Council and definitely follow us on Twitter. Media PA Arts, that's plural, MEDIA PA Arts on Twitter.
We've got art, music, and education here in everybody's hometown.
$10 buy. It is, it's a lot of fun.